studies show that almost every single man at some point in their life will develop a problem with erectile function. And it seems to get worse, and it actually does get worse year by year as time goes by. So if you're one of those gentlemen who are actually experiencing a little bit of difficulty in the bedroom and having trouble getting the performance that you want, something to consider is a very good procedure that's gaining more and more traction and it's seeing better and better results, particularly combined with other modalities that we can talk about in another session. I want to talk to you about the Priapus Shot, or the so-called P-Shot. It was invented by a gentleman named Dr. Charles Runtles out of Fairhope, Indiana, probably about 10 years ago now. And the use of this procedure is just exploded, with men getting better and better results. And we get better results, why? Because we're using better and stronger healing factors that are both in the blood and available commercially that can enhance the results of that. Even combining the Priapus Shot with Botox, which can give you dramatic results. So why does this work? Either it takes the healing factors in your own blood, it concentrates them, or it takes very powerful healing factors that are morally and responsibly harvested from live birth, placenta, or umbilical cords, and it processes these healing factors to such a degree that they're very strong. And when they're injected into the erectile tissue, it causes them to heal in order to rejuvenate, so that when those tissues are called upon to do their functions, that is, promoting nitric oxide, properly sealing off the blood flow, and creating those firm, durable erections that are necessary for proper sexual function, they do the job that they're supposed to do. We've seen some really remarkable results in this office, and as time goes by, not only do we get better at performing these procedures, and as we've used other adjuncts, such as using the morally responsible growth factors, adding in Botox, using things like the pulse wave, or the new technologies that are now emerging that are even stronger in terms of traumatically inducing our healing response, we're seeing fabulous response and good results with improving erectile function. And when you add that to hormone balancing and other support modalities that we have, we've seen some men really virtually cry with the improvement in their erectile function and their satisfaction that they get from sexual activity. So this is Dr. John Carrozzella from the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. We're really one of the leaders in Central Florida on these procedures and getting these great results. If you have a question, please leave it in the comments below or give the office a call. We'd love to talk to you about it.